Hey guys, this is Stepney. Welcome back to another episode of Urban Exploration. This is episode 2, part 1. And as you know, in part 1 we explored an abandoned train bridge. And today we're just going to be exploring some abandoned train tracks a little bit closer to home, so we're a little bit more comfortable with it. And there's a bunch of train cars along the line, so we'll probably just climb around on those, just check it out, and let's get into the video. So yeah, currently we're on the walk to the train. So yeah, we'll just get a couple things just out of the way first. Thank you guys so much for a few more subscribers. We really want to get to our goal of 50 subscribers this summer, or by the end of the summer, and we're really hoping that we'll be able to do it. Yeah, we have to squeeze through here. Yeah, and unfortunately, Trevor chickened out again. So, yeah, he's not going to be joining us doing this video either.
Yeah. Alright, this way.
This is super exciting. And luckily, unlike last time, hopefully people won't be like, you're not supposed to be here.
Trespass allowed. So.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see them over there, but those are them. They're an old string of a lot of.
We'll let the camera focus.
Honestly, not sure when they were abandoned. But
Yeah, they're probably abandoned somewhere in like the early 90s.
yeah.
Well, a soccer game going on by the train tracks, that's weird. And the other awesome thing about train tracks is that you can also find a lot of valuables here, like train spikes that have come undone. If you're strong enough to lift them, small pieces of rail. Yeah, those train spikes are in there. We'll look for some ones that are not stuck into the ground.
I have a big collection at home. I think I have 50 something of them.
Yeah, and you can also find a lot of pyrite, fool's gold.
Oh yeah. Oh, definitely.
A lot of granite, you know, and giant pieces of railway metal like this.
We're not even sure what makes that kind of stuff, but
It's I don't know either. Yeah, I don't know
you
either.
were trying to be like a smart ass there.
Yeah.
And then you were like, I'm drawing a blank.
Yeah, I don't know either.
This little belt clip thing.
Yeah, and you can also find a lot of weird things here. Like we found weed here before. We found some cocaine. Yeah, so we found some weird stuff here before. So anyways, let's just stop talking about that and we'll just focus on getting to the trains.
Yeah. Oh shit. Look at that.
Oh wow.
First railway spike of the day.
First railway spike of the day. Keep that.
Yep. Yeah. I've got a big flashlight for when it gets dark too.
Alright, yeah, because we're going to be here for a while.
Yeah. You guys might not see all of it, but
Yeah, we'll have to cut it down.
because we're only running with about 800 meg of storage.
Yeah, so, yeah, probably a little bit more. We're just, well, at least we know that the video will hopefully be longer than half an hour.
Yeah.
That's all we know.
Yeah.
And then, you know, we'll have to clip down, get some of the best stuff. Oh,
What do we have?
we've got some pyrite.
Oh, nice. I can grab that.
Yeah, that's a pretty shiny piece.
That's
now,
a nice piece,
we
to
ran
be
into
honest.
some bigger pieces.
Oh, all right.
We'll just keep our eyes peeled for bigger pieces. Not right now though, but on the way back I just saw a piece that was the size of me, so yeah.
Because even though pyrite is fake gold, when the pieces are big enough, they can actually they can even break 1,000.
Yep.
It can be expensive because it
Yeah.
generally doesn't grow in large veins,
Yeah.
so it's hard to find giant pieces.
Well, no, basically if you've just got any train tracks near
That
where
is
you live.
dried coyote shit. It's white. What
Well, that is dried poo. Alright, so that was pretty unpleasant. Now we know that coyotes are near here. You never knew that before? No, I actually didn't. Alright, let's continue. Yeah, but we're gonna be here at night. We're gonna be here at night.
True enough.
We're gonna be here until like 10.
Maybe
So-
11 actually.
Yeah, more like 11. So, yeah. Yeah, the old abandoned train tracks. Yeah, you can obviously tell that these are abandoned because, You know, I don't really think that trains frequent through here where the weeds are like 5-6 feet tall. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they're abandoned. Well, what have we found here?
It looks like it might be the bearing for a pipe.
Yeah, we find all sorts of interesting stuff at the train tracks.
If it was intact, I would keep it, but nah.
I mean, if you polished it up, sell it at the flea market. By the way, make sure to go check out, I wasn't there for the video, but speaking of flea markets, make sure to go check out one of Nick's more recent videos, McAfee Flea Market Exploration. Yeah, I just thought I'd give a shout out to a previous video. All right, there they are.
Of rail.
Yep.
If only we could lift them.
Oh yeah, we got some over there. Let's go check them out. Huh.
Yeah. I believe these ones were 1968, but I'm not sure. Last time I checked, that was a long time ago. Let's find out. You can just see how rusted over these are.
Well, all train tracks are rusted over.
Well, most of them, unless they're new. Hold on.
If we really want to check how old these tracks are, we have to look at the most recently active ones on the insides, like over here. You can see that says 1974. Over here, this says 1954. And over here, more 1954. These ones, do these say how old these ones?
54.
Still 54? Huh.
Yeah.
So these tracks have probably been abandoned since, I'd say,
Maybe
around the same time that the train cars were abandoned. You can see them, we're coming up on them super soon. All right, let's go. Let's go, let's get there fast. Alright guys, so as you can probably see, we are closer to the trains. They're just right over there. Hey. Yeah, hopefully we can climb on top of them as well. There's about 70 train cars, so yeah, last time I counted, pretty sure there's like 70 and they're all attached to one another. Hopefully we can try and climb across all 70.
I mean, that'd be cool, but I don't know.
Well, we can climb up on the first train car and then walk across the roofs.
Yeah, true enough. But they are slightly spaced.
Yeah.
So you would need to jump.
That's fine.
Yeah.
We have built up energy and more dried coyote poo. Yeah.
What the fuck? Hey. It's a circle of like marble. I'm gonna keep that.
Yeah, keep that. It's pretty interesting.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Just tell our driver that we'll be there.
Yeah.
And he can meet us there because he is very far behind.
Yeah.
But tell him.
I won't tell him. We'll wait for him to meet us there.
Alright. If that's what you want to do, then be my guest.
There's also a rescue animal hospital around here.
Yeah, the Humane Society. So luckily these train tracks are not in very frequent use. A freight train comes by down these tracks every Wednesday at a non-specific time. But I would assume that with the thinness of the windows, that it would rattle them and scare the animals. So yeah. Anyways, we're coming up to them over here. You can see them right here.
Holy shit. It's been almost a year since I've been here. So.
Yeah, and it's super ingrown.
Yeah.
Luckily, we don't have to worry about anything like wild parsnips over here.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
During the winter, I actually went on the opposite side that was overgrown.
Yeah?
Because all the snow was frozen. Also, another railway spike. I'll
Nice.
leave that there because I can
More
carry 'em
railway
for now.
spikes. That's good. Anyways, we're already at 10 minutes, so You know what? Let's get 20 minutes on the trains.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll probably divide this. We'll probably divide this into two 15-minute long videos.
Look at that. The top to a super old and bent tin can.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hey, that's pretty good. Terrible iDubbbz references, dead memes. All right, everybody. We are almost at the train. Let's go. I'm glad that we weren't coming here tomorrow. Because, like I said, every Wednesday, a freight train comes by. All right, everybody. We have arrived at the trains. All right, we are here. So, yeah. Let's get this on. Oh, wow. This place, I love this. Super cool. Huh. Hello, we are underneath one of the trains. Huh. What did he find?
Would you look at that?
Canadian Tire money.
Canadian Tire money.
All right.
For all these viewers in the States,
Yeah.
this is only in Canada.
All right.
I don't know why it's
Anyways.
here, but
All right, let's get to climbing up on top.
yeah, I guess.
That is a tall climb.
Holy shit, Stephanie, you might have some trouble with this.
You know what?
All right.
Let's go up on a different train car.
Let's do it.
Let's go up on this one over here. All right. All right, let's do this.
Shit, man.
All right, we're gonna need you to grab the tablet once you get up there.
Yeah, I might. Hold on.
Well, no, we need you to because we need to get up. Well, we're still going to. So, at that.
There's no top ladder. I'm not comfortable with going on top.
Why?
Because there's nothing for my hands to grab onto.
All right, well, we're gonna go up.
Yeah.
You know what? Fine. All right, grab the tablet.
Hold up.
You're gonna need to grab this tablet.
All right.
All right, and hold me.
All right.
Now record him.
Record you going up. Just not get your face.
It doesn't really matter.
All right.
Oh, wow.
You see what I mean? How there's no top?
There is, kind of.
Yeah. Holy shit. He did it. He actually did it. Okay.
Hello. This is fun.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Talk about a big fucking train.
Oh, yeah.
What's it like up there?
Interesting. High up. Hello. Right?
All right. What the fuck? Holy shit.
The ladder on the other side, I'll climb down.
All right. Wow.
Hey. Yeah. Now, hold on a second. Now, this is what takes a very, very, very lot of planning because
Yep.
you don't want to fall off the train.
Yeah. That's 14 feet, and that's gonna bring you to your demise. So, I don't think we would like that. Wow, you can just see how long these have been here for. They're probably actually rusted to the tracks.
Yep, most likely.
Alright.
Anyways, guys, that was fun. Fortunately, I didn't get to climb up there.
Yeah.
I really want to. I really want to, though.
Yeah, but how would we do it?
Yeah, the problem is, how would you get me up there?
I would have to, like, climb semi
Oh,
up.
no, I've got an idea.
Go, like, semi up,
No.
hand them to you or something. And
No, I've got an idea.
what?
Okay, hold the tablet.
Hold on.
You can record our faces, it's fine. Alright.
Alright. Oh, shit! Master idea right there. Never would have thought of that. Just don't fall out, Stepney.
Yep. Don't worry, I'll try not.
Wow. Look at that. I'd be too much of a pussy to do this kind of shit. Wow. Alrighty.
So this is fun being up here. Oh, hello. Wow. Alright, pass us the tablet.
I don't know whether I can. Holy shit. I'd have to scale this shit one-handed.
No, you just have to go up halfway.
But I'd have to somehow get up halfway. Like, you see, I can't do that with one hand. What's up?
Okay, so give me the tablet.
Okay,
You climb up halfway, and then I hand it to you. But
Okay.
stop recording
No.
for now.
Okay, just
Alright.
don't point it at your face.
Alright, we'll be back with a part 2.
Alrighty.
Alright.
There we go. Wait, no. Fuck.
Okay, no, you stopped it.
Yeah, okay. Why is it...